What's up, PictureUsRolling fam? It's your boy Jay, and we back with another vlog. So today we're going. We're going to Ninfahall job first. Instead of her come and pick us up, we said we're gonna get an Uber or a Lyft to our destination. Cause we finna go shoe shopping for Starving. Feel me? Gotta get some shoes for school. I know a lot of people requested, oh, show the back to school shopping. So this is technically back to school shopping. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell, be notified. We waiting for guys. It is free, cost you not a thing. And yeah. So right now I'm waiting on our Lyft driver right now.
4 minutes away.
Are you 4 minutes away? Well, I'm gonna get. Yeah, he right around the corner, so I'm gonna get stuff ready because I don't wanna. He ain't got no shoes on. See, she ain't got her shoes on, but.
I just gotta slip them on. I just have Crocs.
Make sure you got some good socks to put on when you try shoes on.
Yeah, I got socks on. I have mine.
And have your mask. You can't get in the own thing without a mask. So yeah, I'm gonna get my mask and stuff, and we'll let you know when we get there. So y'all, we made it. So I can see we made it. Harvest bread, as y'all can see. If you want harvest bread, come check it out, y'all.
Once upon a time, there was a market full of Ninfahs, and we're talking about with the bread that feel like brick.
I don't know what she's talking about.
There was a store called 300 bread in Ninfahall, and their bread felt like bricks. It actually does, but it's really good bread. Do you remember that one time their bread felt like a brick?
No.
Bread.
I don't know what you're
But
talking
that
about.
bread was good.
I don't know what you're talking about.
They have short time memory.
But yeah, y'all, we made it here. And when Ninfahall get off, we'll tune to the Ninfahall. Started helping her mama clean up. We're in the mall. It's going down. So yeah, it's the music. So we're gonna keep it moving till we get to our destination. So first we're going in Old Navy. Oh, she's about to get ran over. So what we looking for, some pants or something like that?
Oh,
Shirts.
they got the Tokyo.
Olympic gear, y'all. USA. We in Hollister, y'all. I know the music loud, so I'm gonna have to cut the music out. Y'all already know. They ain't had nothing in Old Navy, so yeah. Little big doggies, and you can ride around them all. How you doing? So we on to another store. See what else we gonna find for Star. Here we are here. Next place. That's your color up your alley. So far, everything going good right now. So we just wait, you know, Star, she fitting clothes and stuff right now. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, we out of Apostle. They had some good stuff in there though. So Star got everything she needed.
I thought we was going to Journeys.
We going to Journeys. You said you wanted some other type of shoes. Hold on. Well, we're gonna go in here right quick. So she wanted some Vans, so she's looking at Vans. So. So which one y'all think she gonna choose?
Realize and then you step on the sun, back again, back.
I was about to say, does it like
I think
go back to
starting to want to get these. And then we had, because they're white, I don't know.
We're in another store, as y'all can see. We in what?
But
Is it Spencer?
it's inappropriate, like really inappropriate.
No, yeah, I won't go back in the store. Y'all know about the Spencer store. Y'all adults.
Look, they got a Britney Spears.
This is the store we at, y'all.
But we had to step out of the store.
Look, a good guy up there, y'all. We had to step out of the store, so.
Because of the music.
But
It's
yeah.
just not because we get a copyright.
Neef went to go buy a fidget for Star. She see.
Express ball. They had poppets. They had a square rainbow poppet and a.
Hey, that's cool. Y'all see good guy up there.
And look at that Cheetos water bottle.
I need to check out these socks, man. They be having some raw little socks. 3 for $10. They had some little raw little socks in here, like so you can swag out. I had got hooked onto the sock game, man. Alright, match your outfits and stuff with the sock game. I want some Dragon Ball socks. I gotta look for. So y'all came here, man. We just left them all and everything. We finna go in here and get some good old sushi. Domo. This is a Japanese.
Don't say mohawks.
Japanese restaurant, y'all. Just this new restaurant. And wifey.
I'm gonna be picking up to go. Like, but tell me, why did the mall, some of the stores in the mall closed? The mall closed at 8 o'clock, right? The mall closed at 8 o'clock.
No, 9 o'clock.
I'm sorry. The mall closed at 9 o'clock. But there's stores that's already shut down at 7 and 7:30.
You talking about its stores closed, like Sephora closed. Like, whoa.
Go home. But the mall open till 9 o'clock. And this place over here, the nail shop, closed.
Closed.
It's 7:40. Closed.
One thing I learned about where we
The
at.
clothing store.
Nighttime, everything is closed. Everything's shut down. People like the whole city just seemed like it's shut down, except for certain places like Walmart, big places. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we don't keep. We finna get a bite to eat. She wants some sushi. I want some sushi too. I might as well eat it too. So why not? But we're gonna do the shopping haul when we get home. So yeah.
So these are some shirts from school: a gray, black, pink, white, and red sweater. Couple pair of pants. She got 2 pants and some shorts. All this came from Aeropostale. And some black shorts. Because it's still hot, right, y'all? Then we stopped at the shoe store at Journeys. She said Journeys. and got her those kicks. Right? Oh, these are fly. Okay, Star, I see you. Ooh, she said I'm forgetting something. That is not school stuff.
But anyways, I got some earpods and a scratch ball.
Okay.
But it is a part of the vlog, right?
Oh yeah, that's just this is a pullover hoodie, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm all a pink pullover hoodie. That's the end of this vlog. We thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell to be notified if you're new to our channel. Subscribe is free. I had to remember what I was talking about. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to our channel. It's
What are you
free.
waiting for?
It's free. See y'all in the next video.
School closed. Alright, I'm